Hi, Ed Akehurst, back with Genius Pages tutorials. In this one, we're going to look at site and page settings. So up here in the upper right-hand corner is a triangle. If you click that, we'll go to site settings first, and a thing will come up. You can name your site. I'm going to just call this, we'll call it our test site. You can make changes to the global CSS if you know how to do that. If you don't know what you're doing with CSS code, leave that alone, please. Or have your developer, if you have a web developer, have them come in and do it. There are times you'll want global headers and global footers. This is where you'll put things like sticky reviews if you want to put reviews that show up on your page, or you want to put a Facebook pixel or some other type of tracking or advertising pixel on here. And there may be other things or codes that you want to put in the header and footer that are site-wide. That's where you'll do that. And then this is also where you can publish your site. You can publish it in a subfolder, in a subdomain, or on a custom domain of yours. I'll show you an example. We'll just go subdomain test site. I'll put test site 101 because people have probably used that. And that'll be at geniuspages.io. And then you can hit save settings once you've got everything done that you want, and it'll let you know. And then up here, you can also go to page settings, and this will change the settings of the page that you're on. You'll notice up here that says index.html. We only have one page. That's the index page. So you can give the page one test home page. Test site home page, let's call it. And if you have a meta description that you're using, this is the test home page for the Genius Pages tutorial site. You'll give it obviously something a little better. Then you can put your keywords here, Genius Pages, cool site builder. Okay, we're not going to use things like that, but again, and then you can have header and footer and CSS specific things to this page. So in the last one we did for site settings, those are things that are global for the entire site. Maybe you have a pop-up you want to do, and you're not going to use the built-in pop-up editor. You're going to use something that comes in the header or footer code, and you could put that here, or some other type of tracking code for this page only. You can put that in the header and footer. And then once you've done that, save the settings, and you're good to go. Now, if you have multiple pages, which I'll cover in another video, then you'll want to come in and change the page settings for that when it's highlighted. Right now, we only have index. So that's it for this tutorial video, and I will see you on the next video.